Hey guys, this is just a quick video explaining how to remove the cluster from your 2001 Honda Accord EX V6 Co-op, and also how to just change a burned light if you ever have one. The first thing you want to do is, by your steering wheel, locate this lever. It's going to be right on beneath left side. You want to bring that down, and this will give you access to lifting and lowering your steering wheel. You want to lower it completely. The next thing is, you'll see up here two little holes, and these two holes have screws on them. It's simple. It's simple crosshead screws. So all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So you get yours out, and you can just take those two off like that. Put them somewhere where you can not lose them. And the next thing is removing the panel around the cluster. This panel is being held down by, apart from the screws, it's being held down by two clips beneath. They are in the corners, bottom corners. So one clip is here, and the other clip is here. So you want to use both hands. I recommend using both hands to take them both off together, but I can still do it with one. So I press down from here and pull, and then I press down here and pull. Like so. I'm able to just take it off like that, bring it above, and put it to the side. Next, there's going to be two more screws. As you can see, they're in the bottom, located here and here. I already unscrewed them, so I just gotta take them off like that. Okay, the next part's a little tricky. This, honestly, you really need both hands. It's just the hole actually now being able to pull the cluster itself. The thing that's currently holding it is these two little plastic tabs on the side. Okay, so yeah, the thing I did was I put my pinky on both sides and just started rocking it back and forth until it got off those little plastic hold parts. So now I'm able to, now that it's off those parts, I'm able to, you heard that? Yeah, now it's off completely. So from up here, you can bring it down from the top, like slide it down towards you. I do recommend using both hands and doing this. So up here, you're gonna see three connectors: here, here, here. I already disconnected them for to speed up the video, but they all have like a little plastic piece that you can press down and pull. So you just do so. This guy over here is probably the hardest one to disconnect. So I recommend using both hands for this one, to just be able to pull it up. So now you bring the cable out of the way. And now you slide this thing forward to you, like I'm doing right now. Like the way it's facing you directly. Slide out. Oh, hang on, sorry. I just want you to get a good idea of how I'm doing it. So bring it around a manner that you can bring it up. This is much easier when you have both hands. Okay, so then from here, you want to bring it up forward, facing you. You see where it's like right there? These two clips are on this area right here. You'll be able to lift it up a bit, like so. And then you can slide it off. Okay, so that's how you take it off. And for the cluster itself, when you have an LED issue, you'll see all these LEDs. You wanna it's a simple thing. So let's say this one over here, you slide it to the left. So left is loose, right is tight. So slide it to the left, and then you pull. So if you find a burnt bulb, you can easily just pull it out of its little socket. So this socket, you can still reuse it. You just got to change the bulb. It doesn't require that much effort. So you just pull out the bulb, put in the new bulb, and you can just put it back in and slide it right to lock it. So that's that. Okay, so when you want to put the cluster back in, bring it from the left side, like so. Tilt it a little bit down, and now so it can actually go inside. The connectors will be in the way from being able to completely put this in, so you want to bring them over and connect them. So I'm just going to connect these real quick. Be right back. Okay, so when you have it connected, if you look underneath here, it's further than it should be. So you got to bring those little plastic legs with the rubber pieces on them, lift it up a bit, and then slide it forward so it can, yep, like that. I'm doing this from the top, by the way. So you should have enough room to be able to set it back in place, just like that. So just like that, the plastic pieces are back inside, and then you just gotta put the screws back in here and here. Then you can put your panel like so. I'm sure this thing's underneath like this. It flushes in. So you can just slide this forward, and then you'll hear clicks. I'm not gonna put it in just yet, but yeah, you can just slide it in and you'll hear clicks, and these two little holes should match with the holes to put the screws back in. And that is how you can take off your cluster, put a light bulb, and put it back in. Thank you for watching. Have any questions? Put it in the comments. Goodbye.